Hello everybody and welcome back to our last episode of Beauty Series. In every of the episodes, we were talking about a particular problem, factors that cause this problem and ways to treat this particular problem or fight a particular issue. But all of you have different problems because every one of you is unique. For some, it's important to get rid of forehead wrinkles and lift the droopy eyelid. For others, it is to get fuller cheeks and get rid of purse string wrinkles. For third, it's to get rid of bulldog cheeks and rejuvenate your neck. Therefore, I decided to make a video with all basics that would fit everyone, and you can do as a course every day, 10 to 20 times. And after that, do it every second day. In addition to this basic complex, you can do exercises that target your particular problem. So let's start with the first exercise. It will be correcting your body posture because right body posture means beautiful face. Imagine that there is a string that is pulling through your whole spine upwards and your shoulders should be relaxed. Stay in this position. This exercise you can do several times a day in order to control your body posture. Next exercise, to open up your chest. Bring your arms back and do shaking motions trying to bring your shoulder blades together. Do it 20 times and repeat it twice. Another exercise to open up your chest. Make a 90 degrees angle with your elbows and bring your arms back, trying to connect your shoulder blades. Do it 20 times and repeat it twice. Next exercise will relax your trapezius muscle. Do a massage of this muscle in soft massaging motions. Work through every area of the muscle. This massage is not going to take longer than a minute. After that, hug yourself by your shoulders, trying to bring your shoulders down and to the front, and relax, letting your trapezius muscle to stretch. In order to increase the effect, you can bend your neck 5 times to each side. Move on to neck warm-up. Bend your neck to each side, one after another. Do it very slowly and gently, feeling the tension in the side muscle of your neck. Do it 10 times on each side and move on to turning your head. While turning your head, try to look behind your shoulder. Do it 10 times on each side. Next exercise will soften fibers of the back side of your neck. Grab a fold of tissue and massage it for 2 minutes. This way, work through the whole area of the back of your neck. This exercise is a good prevention method for neck problems. Move on to the front part of your neck. In order to rejuvenate your face, you need to relax the neck muscles, since it tends to shorten and pulls your face down. Put your hands on your neck and pull your skin down. Lift your chin up. You should be feeling tension in your muscle. Now make it a bit more complicated. Lift your chin up and pull your lower jaw out 10 times. Now stretch side of your neck. Put your hand on the side of your neck so that your fingers would be on the side, and bring your head up and to the side so that the angle of your jaw would be facing the ceiling. Switch your hands. Note that when you put your hand on the side of your neck, you should pull the skin down and feel the tension in your muscle. Move on to aponeurosis massage. Do a soft head massage. And after that, separate your skin from the skull, working through the whole area of your head. And finish off with a soft head massage. Do this massage for 2 minutes and move on to softening of the temples and forehead muscles. Put base of your palms on your temples and massage in circular motions, pulling your skin up. Now stick your fingers to your forehead and start moving your skin apart from the bone in all different directions. Move on to the wrinkle between your eyebrows. Almost everyone has this wrinkle, since during the day you experience emotions that cause this wrinkle. Put your fingers in the area between your eyebrows and massage it for about a minute. With this exercise, you soften the muscle and smooth the lines. The next exercise to smooth the wrinkles. Put your thumbs on your temples and with your pointing fingers form hooks. And put them between your eyebrows. Putting some pressure on your fingers, pull them apart, covering the whole area of your eyebrow. Repeat it 5 times. And control your emotions during the day so there were no wrinkles. Next exercise will open up your eyes and lift your eyebrows. Lift your eyebrow as much as possible and massage the area under your eyebrow, tapping in with your fingers. With one hand, lift corner of your eyebrow up, and with another hand, move through the whole area of the circular muscle along the orbital bone in deep motions. All of it repeat on the other side. Move on to massaging your lateral nose muscle to smooth the nasolabial fold. With your fingers, massage the area of the wings of your nose in circular motions. Then move up the muscle in same circular motions. After that, slowly slide down, stretching the muscle. And repeat this again. Repeat it 5 times. Work on your lips in order to make them fuller and prevent or get rid of purse string wrinkles. Do a pinching massage. Next, do the frame exercise in order to give your lips more volume. Hold your lips with your fingers and try to pull your relaxed lips out. Do it 20 times. You should definitely relax your chewing muscles, since it directly influences your face shape. Massage your chewing muscle in order to locate them. Close your teeth and you will feel contracting there. Massage that area with half open mouth. Do it 10 times in one direction and 10 times in the other direction. Another exercise for relaxing of the chewing muscle that you can do during the day is put your tongue in front of your upper teeth and stay in this position for a minute. This will help you remove pressure from your lower jaw, softly move your lower jaw out, and make a beautiful jawline. Work on the presser muscles, which pull corners of your lips down. Put your fingers on the place of their attachment, and while opening your mouth, have your fingers moving up the muscle, elongating it. Do it 5 times. One more time I will remind you that this complex is basics and it fits for everyone. If you want, you can include any other exercise that works with a specific problem. Those you can find in other episodes of Beauty Series. If you haven't found an answer to your question, comment below this video. I will be happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.